Every website should have a fav icon, the small icon you see on the top on the browser tabs. I've just opened some examples here. If you see one for Google, if you see one for Twitter, if you see one for Facebook. Let's see how to generate this fav icon. Go to favicon.io, go to generator. You can choose the background color. Here I want the background color to be yellow, which is suiting the branding of our website. Here I'm taking this as circle. You can also see the preview here. Here I'm adding the letter to be D. And I'm also changing the font. Here you can change the font and see any font you want to change. And you can also see here on the top the preview. Now if you see, yellow and white are not a good combination out here because you cannot see the letter. Maybe you can change the font color. See, I'm doing it to gray. Now it's pretty much visible. Now if you want to change the font again, you can just see a lot of fonts available here. Let's try one more. If you already have an idea about fonts, you can definitely choose directly, search and choose one. Here you can also see the font size and the variation if that font has some. We're just trying some fonts here. Here I just want a simple font. Say for now this. And you can always check which is visible more. It's just a small icon. You just want basic branding out here on the fav icon. Alright, so here I'm taking this one. Download this icon. Unzip that particular file. If you're using Windows, you can just extract the files. Now if you see, you would have fav icons in different sizes. The one which you have to use is this one, which is 512 by 512 pixels in size. Go to dashboard. You have to visit your site and go to Customize. Now you have to find the option from where you can change this fav icon. Go to Site Identity. Here you'll see this option, Site Icon. Site Icon is fav icon. Change image, and you can always see the preview. If you see here, it's saying 512 by 500 pixels is the suggested one. Upload that particular fav icon you generated. Here I'm uploading this 512 by 512. And we are good to go. And publish. If you see on top, the site icon has been changed. Here my site icon is changed. I close this and you're done.